Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Just look at the gorgeous day today with a partly cloudy sky. And here's my equipment setup for today's video. This is my workspace for today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a mandala art on a piece of rock. And these are some of the rocks that I've previously painted. I'll show them to you up close. So some of them, they're a combination of craft paint and paint markers put together. And this one has the metallic pen used on it. This one is a mix. So I have painted them in different colors. The base, this one's a white and this one's like an ivory black. The first one that I had shown was blue, and this one is also a shiny black. So yeah, that's how they look. Let's get started now. So guys, here are the supplies that we are going to need. So we're going to need this rock. You can easily get it at any art and craft store. It's a painting rock, and we're going to be using this mandala stencil specially created for mandalas. If you don't happen to have it, you can use a circle stencil that has various sizes of different circles, and then according to your requirement you can put the dots. And if you don't have that either, you can use just the normal regular compass. And then I'm going to be using these paint pens that are made to be used on surfaces like that of a rock. If you don't happen to have this, you can just use simple craft paint like this one of different colors, and which is so easily available. And you need some dotting tools of different sizes. So that is the alternative. And then we are going to be painting the rock using the metallic silver paint. In this case, you can even use a different color spray paint to paint your rock. Any color that you want, you can paint the rock with. And then at the end, I'm going to be using this KMR varnish to give it a shine and like a blocking. guys, this is how it has turned out. I have added a few more dots inside some dots, and the idea for painting this particular rock was to make it really colorful. I'm going to place them with some of my indoor plants, and it looks a bit different from the others because of the background color, and I like how different they look yet similar because of the mandala. And yeah, so I hope you guys liked it. Do try and make some for yourself, and do stay tuned in for my upcoming video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.